Have you planned for your retirement though? I think this is a genuine question. Lot of youngsters doesn't think about it or bothered. In their words, they say, life is short, let's enjoy. Who knows the future? As our life was so fast that every year we celebrate our birthday and blow a candle. With the time being, we are getting old. And it was a time when an average man in 90s lived long till 95 or 100. But now, the time has changed. Now average expectancy ratio has turned on to 65 to 75 for both men and women. So a question arises here. Are we serious about our retirement? Are you feeding your saving account which will feed you one day? What matters the most now is as the inflation is rising so much, with job, health, family, enjoying social status and travel takes all our energy and money in our 30s. And guess what left? Is nothing at our old age. When we look in our bank account year after years of saving jewels, the reality is nothing is left. So, crunch some numbers and get ready to work hard. The question is, can it be done? Absolutely. But unless you are independently wealthy, and very few people are, it will take work and discipline and some key steps which we're gonna tell you today. So let's get started. Number 1. The golden rule is to start early. The earlier you start, the bigger corpus you accumulate. Start investing at an early stage to allow your saving to get compound for a longer period of time. Treat your retirement with such as important as your current financial need and start saving a small amount regularly towards this goal. So starting with your SIP as systematic investment plan in your early 30s is a good option. When it comes to mutual fund and SIP, many of us scratch our head and doesn't risk ourselves to know it. But just with a start of Rs 500, by systematic investment plan, you can start investing. With your disciplined feeding for a retirement fund monthly, which can give you a secure return after your 40s, you can hire a fund manager who can handle your portfolio to pick up the best retirement plan to invest in. So why to delay? Start now. Number 2. Assess your current situation now. Nobody likes to admit they might be ill-prepared to retire, but an honest assessment of where you are now financially is vital in order to create a plan that can accurately address any shortfalls. Begin by accounting how much you have accumulated in account and marked for retirement. Assess your situation, how much you are earning now, and cut down the unnecessary expense and clear off your debts. After your budget remaining, invest at least 15% of your money in retirement fund. Calculate the future value of your current saving. How much you are able to save every year after meeting all your expenses play a crucial role in building your retirement corpus. Your saving is a surplus amount that is left after deducting your annual expenses for your net salary. Pen down your estimated expenses. List down your expenses in order to priority and cover them one by one. You may not have a steady income, but you can live your post-retirement life the way you want it to be. Whether you want it to be in your daughter's destination wedding or a world tour with your wife, owning a beach house or having your own organic farm, you can plan for each of this luxury if you plan early. Having a timeline for all such events, designate a budget for every expense. So take out your paper and pen and plan it now. Next, avoid breaking into your retirement corpus in between. It means that avoid the lure of digging into your retirement fund. A common habit among most of the individual is while switching the job is to withdraw their PF account balance instead of transferring it. Your retirement corpus suffers a huge blow each time you withdraw your PF balance. And also, the balance is taxable if withdrawn within 5 years. So take care of it. So, what are you waiting for? Just secure your future.